Shwmae pawb. Hello everybody, croeso nôl I WelshBloke Walking. Welcome back to WelshBloke Walking. Well, long time no see. I haven't posted for a while, have I? That's because life in general has been getting in the way. But never mind that, dwi yma rwan, I am here now, so let's go for a walk. Today's walk is a bit special. It's a walk from my youth, from my childhood. It's a walk that is known and beloved by everybody in Denbigh because virtually everybody in Denbigh will have used it. It's been used by generations and generations and generations of Denbighites. It's an ancient walk. But soon, this ancient walk might be gone forever. Thanks to these people. In December 2019, Breedon PLC won a planning application to extend their time of operation at the quarry until 2028. Part of this was a promise to restore the quarry to its natural habitat after the 2028 finishing date. But it seems the Breedon PLC now wants to renege on this promise and has applied for a Quarry Land Extension. This would eat into the land behind the quarry and eat the ancient footpath into the bargain. Local people have now banded together to oppose this destroying of the landscape. And you can find links to their campaign, Save Our Green Spaces Dinbych, in the write-up below. All too often, when the interests of local communities clash with corporate wealth, it's the money that wins. One reason I create these videos is to share the beauty of our local walks with those who can't experience them firsthand, whether due to age or limited mobility. But this time there's a deeper purpose. If the corporation prevails and this landscape is lost, future generations of Denbigh will at least have a record of what was taken from them. The woodland you see on the left is known as a Crest, or the Little Crest. And the path ultimately leads to an adjoining larger woodland called a Crest, or the Big Crest. And this is why locals describe this walk as going up the crest. As you might imagine, this field has long been the kingdom of winter play. Its gentle slope transformed into the finest toboggan run for miles around. When the snow falls thick, the air fills with the laughter of children and the scrape of sledges. This magic teleporting tree has stood here for as long as my memory reaches. A silent keeper of imaginary journeys. But today, its bark is tired, its branches frail and broken, and it's clear that its time is drawing to a close. If there was any doubt that a quarry cliff edge lies on the other side of these trees, there are plenty of reminders along the way. All along the route, the Save Our Green Spaces Dinbych group have placed their posters. As children, we'd always take the left turn here, slipping into a Crest Fawr, where a tangle of woodland paths wound like secret maps beneath the trees. We could lose whole afternoons there, building dens from fallen branches, discovering hidden clearings, and letting the forest become our endless adventure. It looks like the tradition of woodland den building continues to this day. At this woodland crossroads, a right turn leads us out from the shelter of trees, guiding us back to the familiar path and the wide sweep of open countryside. And here it is. For us as kids, this was the final destination. We used to call it the picnic field. And we'd sit here and we'd eat our butties and we'd drink our pop, and we would marvel at the fact that if we looked that way, we could see Rhyl on the North Wales coast with the naked eye some 12 miles away, if the weather was clear. So that's it, that's the walk. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Sadly, I had no butties and no pop with me this time, but at least we've still got the footpath. For the time being. Tan y tro nesa, till next time, hwyl fawr I chi. There goes the day. And another one. And two more. There's no end to it, is there? Today's walk is a very special walk. Get off. Today's walk is a bit special for me and for everybody in Denbigh, because it is generations of people in Denbigh. Generations and generations. Today's walk is a bit special. It's a walk from my childhood. I was a child once. Today's walk, we would sit here and drink our butties. No, we never drank our butties. No, we definitely didn't drink butties. No, don't try that at home.